Welcome to my Ultimate Traffic Unblock review. Free and paid systems. Purchase Ultimate Traffic Unblock now, showing you how our beta testers use this same system made us in 24 hours and build a list fast. Includes access to unique rotator I use to make money online which works for MMO niche. Instant approval to promote Ultimate Traffic Unblock. Now's your opportunity to see free and paid traffic. Most affiliates that are making money online with affiliate marketing is Ultimate Traffic Unblock right for me. Showing you how to generate commissions and build a list fast. Includes 1 year of traffic, a unique rotator I use to make money online which works for MMO niche. Are you a newcomer to the online business world, feeling frustrated because results aren't rolling in as quickly as you'd hoped? Say goodbye to those early struggles with Ultimate Traffic Unblock, the ultimate solution for budding entrepreneurs. Ultimate Traffic Unblock provides an effortless training tutorial for passive income opportunity that ensures you benefit every time. No prior experience required, and you're guaranteed approval. Enjoy a lucrative front-end commission. In fact, you can continue to make sales right through the funnel. Your path to success starts with Ultimate Traffic Unblock. Instant approval to promote this product, regardless of what level of affiliate marketing you are at. Ultimate Traffic Unblock will build a list and generate as our beta testers that have used the same system which they used for just 24 hours. What's Ultimate Traffic Unblock bonuses? Welcome to Limitless. You can now generate a monthly income from promoting this of 50% commissions. With this great Limitless training program. What's involved with Limitless? See below. The key to making money online is giving people value, plus advertisement of a business model, which people require today and everyday. Limitless is a closed group Facebook membership with access to training to help you with affiliate marketing and then some, plus a website with access to powerful software. Also, you will get help with releasing your own product launch, create custom bonuses, not rinse and repeat system, access to all my unique and custom products plus future products that I will be bringing out, access MMO and BizOp online rotator. Ultimate Traffic Unblock bonus 2. Access to a monthly slot giving you a 2 million reach of Tier 1 traffic yearly to promote to MMO niche. Plus, full exposure of what I am using promote and earn. Ultimate Traffic Unblock bonus 3. Full training how to promote and earn using Ultimate Traffic Unblock. Even if you are a newbie or a seasoned affiliate marketer, you can even promote this when people buy through the sales funnel, allowing you to sell this as if it's your own product to your own list or traffic methods provided in this product. You can even promote your own link on the rotator. Access cast iron. Ultimate Traffic Unblock money back satisfaction. The product comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. These methods enables you to grow your email list and can create sales. Note, refunds cannot be made after your unique rotator link is sent out or you have access to Limitless membership. By submitting your link to be sent out, you are accepting these terms and conditions. In order for these traffic systems to work will take time and dedication on your behalf. Details of how to set up your own traffic are contained in the members area. If after viewing the method you are not happy with it, then you can claim a full money back refund within 30 days of purchases. Thanks for watching for video and please subscribe channel.